We'll talk about that.
It's quite poor. Hello and welcome back to this video series on how to set up a Stratocaster, and we're nearly at the end now. And what we're going to do is what's called the final intonation. If this is the first time that you've been here, there'll be a link down below to all of the previous videos in this series, and we've covered everything to do with setting up a Stratocaster. So the final intonation is where we need to check that the intonation of the guitar is the same at the open string as it is at the 12th fret. And the way that we do that is with our little guitar tuner. So let's just check that now. So there's our little guitar tuner. So tune that, and I'm pressing down on the 12th fret, and we'll see that that's a little bit flat. So next string, tune the A, 12th fret, showing a D. Sometimes we do get a false reading. A, still showing a D. That's interesting. Might come back to that one. Now, it's obviously getting confused between A and D, because it showed A and then it showed D. So it shows D as straight as being dead on, and now it's showing A as dead on. So you have to keep checking these. Try the D string, too sharp. So we need to adjust that one. G, G string, G string's fine, don't need to adjust that one. B, B's fine, so don't need to adjust that one. E, top E, E's fine. So the strings that I need to adjust, and I need to do that by adjusting, moving the saddle backwards or forwards. So the bottom E string is there now, it's in, but it was, I see it's out, slightly out there, so let's tune that up. Check it again. Yeah, it's slightly flat, so I'm going to have to move the saddle slightly back on that one. The A string is too sharp, saddle needs to come forward. So and the D string it's showing slightly sharp, so that will also have to come slightly forward, and I'm going to do those adjustments now, and then we'll do a final check. And the way that I do this is, because this bottom E string needs to come back slightly, what we should really do, and in fact I will, I'll do it properly. So loosen the string off a little bit, move this back, and you'll see it'll go back. It's gone back a bit there. Tune it up and double check it. So it's too sharp now, so I've gone too far. So you can see how I need to just tweak them individually. So I'm going to do that, but I'll speed it up so that you don't have to actually watch the whole thing. Right, so I've done all the strings now, double checked them, triple checked them, and the intonation is fine at the 12th fret and on the open string. So thanks so much for watching. In the next video we'll do the final tweaks and checks, and we'll plug the guitar in and see how it plays. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers now, all the best, bye bye. So because it's sharp, we just tighten it and pull the saddle back slightly.